Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you have not had a chance to do so already, definitely subscribe to the channel, become part of our home decor family, and also take a look at some of the previous videos that we have posted. We have some great videos about everything. So today's video is going to be a 2-for-1. We are going to take a look at how to use marble in a kitchen as well as how to use brass in a kitchen. I hope you enjoy it. If you have not done so already, definitely take a moment and head on over to facebook.com and join our Facebook group. And then there was style. Also take a look in the description box. I have some gorgeous examples of marble and brass items for your home for purchase. So take a look. Even if you don't purchase, just look and let me know what you think, guys. Okay, what was I gonna say? I forgot that fast. Hey, enjoy the video. Let's hop right into it. This is going to be a somewhat relaxing video, meaning I'll hop in and out slightly, but enjoy the music. And now let's take a look at some examples of how to use brass in your kitchen. Brass is something that is just so elegant, so chic, and so beautiful to me. I absolutely love it, and I love when you have something that is brass and you decide not to seal it and it develops that beautiful patina on it. I love that look. So enjoy the images that I have. All of the usages of metal in these clips are going to be brass, whether it's the brass lighting or hardware, accessories, whatever. So I just wanted to give you some really fun and gorgeous examples of that. Alright guys, so as we near the end of this video, comment down below what you thought your favorite usage of brass in a kitchen or marble in a kitchen was. As it relates to this video, do you have marble or brass in your kitchen? Do you love it? I'm so interested in knowing. I have heard from a few sources that brass can be kind of a little more high maintenance. So comment down below if you have any experiences with that. I was hoping to find some good pictures of a nice patina on brass, like as it starts to age. If you don't seal it, I think that look is absolutely gorgeous. So let me know what you think. Alright guys, so I know I asked you to comment your favorite usage down below if you want to know mine. I love this kitchen. This kitchen is beautiful to me. The only thing is I would hope it would have a pantry. I have to have a pantry. I don't like using cabinets. I need a full pantry. Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!